The other one.
Now they're all sitting on me.
Yeah, I know. They're gonna crush it. And these are so big that the camera's not even getting them all, like the full. Mosquitoes biting my hands as I'm trying to record. It's making me crazy. Wow. Oh, I can't get them out.
Pick one.
I know. I don't know which one to pick. I'm missing them all. Those ones I didn't get really at all. Good Lord. Oh, I've got so many mosquito bites. Do you see all the neighbors lined up over there?
Yeah.
And over here?
Are those all cars for your house though? Like Conishan?
Some of them are. Some of them are the neighbors that drove up from down the street.
They drove up from down the street?
Yeah. Well, from way down the end. They weren't gonna walk.
You're like battling
Yeah.
Go over that side.
Last year people saw them from like far away and came
Yeah.
to find out where they were coming from.
You can get like a second.
A what?
You can get a second job with whoever does like the Providence.
Yeah.
I know they bid on it, so.
That requires licensing.
You've got the experience. Well, where did you light them off? In my backyard.
In the cul-de-sac.
John, remember we went to Disney and everybody was Asian except for like you, me, and my dad? Yeah, and then my dad had the Chinese culture.
I love the way that they talk.
6 hours material.
You wore shorts. You're very brave.
Oh no, they're pants.
Oh,
I'm
capri
sorry, they're
type.
pedal pushers. I have them rolled all the way up.
Capris.
Well, they're too big to be capris.
Ah.
Right above my ankles. My neighbor's cookout. I was
Nice.
so tired from being in the sun, so I was taking a nap. And I had my phone alarm going off, like snooze.
Good thing you had that.
Yeah. Well, because if I'm going to be driving for 45 minutes, I need to be awake.
That's a good idea. Yeah, being awake is usually a good thing while you're driving.
Or just not tired. Yeah.
I wouldn't recommend driving if you're not awake.
Yeah. If you're tired, all right. But it's right, we were in their backyard, which is just a little bit bigger than my backyard. And, gosh, there were 6 dogs. They're like, oh, bring Jackson. So the dogs weren't really playing with each other. Jackson, of course, had to sniff everything. And he, like, they have this big, like a Coca-Cola cooler. like 4 feet tall. And he like promptly goes over and pees on it. Like,
Oh. Not that. I
it
love
wasn't one of those buckets. Never directly inside.
nice.
Their little pathetic display over there.
Busies.
Does he like buy it all at once, or does he go throughout the
He
year?
went twice this year. Usually he does buy it all at once. But he heard
Go in
people,
the summer
we were
and
getting
winter.
people over, and he went and got more. No, this was just a couple of weeks ago.
Would it be better to go in the off season?
I don't think they're open. I mean, I don't know. They might be, but
Wow.
He's gotten braver in the years that he's done this.
Wow.
He used to like line him off and then run away.
Well, he's got that box thing set up. Do you see his little
Yeah.
system?
Oh, that's an airplane. I'm like, oh, there's still one going over there.
I see the plane.
That must be cool to look at if you're on an airplane and see the fireworks down below.
all over.
That's what you should do, is light a fire.
Yeah. Ugh. I was gonna buy one too of those little fire pits.
Oh, mosquitoes, damn.
The weather's been cooperating these past few years. that it's done
Yeah.
this.
Well, last year it was drizzling.
Oh, that's right. It still was, you know,
It held off. The big rain held off until it was like the end,
yeah.
and then it really came down. What really sucks is when it's windy. Stay put, Sean. Stay put.
I got him on this side too, Danielle.
Yeah. Wow. Those are my favorites. Paul.
Justin Bieber's good. This on my fingers. He's stupid.
John Sullivan! Parker! Bob Barker!
Adam Sandler.
Random name.
I'm cool like that. Basketball.
Oh, okay,
Ah, mosquitoes.
Wow. Stay put. Stay put. Yeah. Paul took it.
they're only biting my back.
Oh, they're just biting my face, my hands, my head.
I wish they were doing that, because
I
then I
have a
could
whole
swim
line of them
away.
on this side of my face. Clean up. Boy, that cleanup pile's getting bigger. Look at all the trash.
Dude, remember when it was Graham? Graham got popped in the face by Mike DeRosa. That was so funny. Oh, wait, was that so when he in middle school, like 7th grade? It was just one little bit. You were sitting there. You looked up to say something, and then boom, right in your face. You're like, fuck!
He's supposed to be in high school now. He's saying he's supposed to be in
It reminded me of time in history class.
Why is he 11? So he skipped grades and then he stayed back grades. What's my name?
Wow.
It's like how he starts. Like, oh, doesn't he? He yeah, he's like,
Because it's the point where he got so crazy, and then he just walks
Clean up.
I was like, what? What are you doing?
Hey, so how are those working for you? What, these? Yeah. Oh, these are awesome. How long are you?